5 things that should not be found in your restroom. There are some things we keep in the restroom that should not be there. These things might have been overlooked by you because often, leaving these things makes life easier for us. Below are some things that should not be left in your restroom. 1. Towels. Bathrooms are the perfect breeding ground for mold and mildew, and your towels are easily susceptible to these gross fungi. It is fine to keep one towel hung up in the bathroom, as long as you swap it out once a week. Turning on an exhaust fan can help dry out the room and your damp towel faster. Store extra towels in a closet. 2. Bathrobe. Keep bathrobes out of the bathroom. Just like towels, damp robes could harbor bacteria, and humidity can give them a musty odor. Let them dry in your closet instead of on a hook in your bathroom. Books. It can be nice to have some reading material available while you're doing your business. But the books and magazines that are kept in the bathroom will absorb moisture, leaving you with wrinkled pages and deteriorating binding. 3. Toothbrush. A 2012 study from Manchester University in England found that your toothbrush may house more than 10 million bacteria, and a portion of that comes from fecal matter that's sprayed around the room every time you flush the toilet. To keep your brush as germ-free as possible, rinse and air dry it after each use, and, if you still choose to store it in the bathroom, close the toilet lid before you flush. 4. Makeup. Leaving your makeup products in the bathroom exposes them to a lot of unwanted heat and moisture, which allows mold and other bacteria to spread and make your makeup go bad faster. And like toothbrushes, makeup brushes are also bound to get contaminated with fecal matter from sprayed toilet water. No one would want all that on their face. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.